Imagine a world where death is no longer inevitable, a world where the finality of life is replaced by the continuity of consciousness. Picture a future where human consciousness can be transferred to a digital realm, free from the constraints of our physical bodies. In this future, our minds could live on, exploring new dimensions and realities, unbound by the limitations of our biological forms. This is the tantalizing promise of consciousness uploading, a concept that has captivated scientists, philosophers, and science fiction writers for decades. The idea that we could digitize our very essence and preserve it indefinitely opens up a myriad of possibilities and ethical dilemmas. The implications of such a technological leap are profound. It challenges our understanding of mortality, identity, and the human experience. If we can upload our consciousness, what becomes of our sense of self? Are we still the same person, or do we become something entirely new? What does it mean to be human when our minds can exist independently of our bodies? This question forces us to reconsider the very nature of our existence. Our physical forms have always been an integral part of our identity, but in a digital realm, our bodies become obsolete. How would our understanding of life, death, and identity be transformed? The boundaries between life and death would blur, as consciousness could potentially be preserved and even transferred to new digital environments. This raises questions about the continuity of the self and the nature of personal identity. These questions lie at the heart of the debate surrounding digital immortality. Philosophers and ethicists grapple with the implications of a world where death is no longer a certainty. Would digital immortality lead to a richer human experience, or would it strip away the essence of what makes us human? The pursuit of uploading consciousness is ultimately a quest to understand the essence of what makes us human. It is an exploration of our deepest fears and desires, our longing for immortality, and our quest for meaning in an ever-changing world. It is a journey into the uncharted territory of the mind, where the boundaries between science fiction and reality blur. As we delve deeper into the possibilities of digital consciousness, we are forced to confront the ethical and philosophical questions that arise. As we stand on the cusp of this technological revolution, we are forced to confront fundamental questions about our place in the universe and the very nature of existence itself. The potential to upload our consciousness challenges our traditional notions of life and death, and compels us to rethink what it means to be alive. Different cultures and societies may have varying perspectives on digital immortality. Some may see it as a natural progression of human evolution, while others may view it as an unnatural interference with the cycle of life and death. These diverse viewpoints add complexity to the conversation and highlight the need for a nuanced understanding of the implications. Ethical considerations are paramount in the discussion of consciousness uploading. Issues such as consent, privacy, and the potential for misuse of technology must be carefully examined. The possibility of digital consciousness raises questions about who controls the data and how it is used. Despite the challenges, the potential benefits of digital consciousness are immense. Imagine a world where learning and creativity are enhanced by the limitless possibilities of a digital realm. Minds could collaborate and innovate in ways that are currently unimaginable, leading to unprecedented advancements in science, art, and culture. Personal stories of those who wish to upload their consciousness add a human element to the discussion. For some, the desire to preserve their memories and experiences is a powerful motivator. These individuals see digital immortality as a way to leave a lasting legacy and continue contributing to society long after their physical bodies have ceased to function. The future possibilities of digital consciousness are vast and varied. Speculative scenarios envision digital societies where individuals interact in virtual environments, free from the limitations of the physical world. These digital societies could offer new forms of social interaction, governance, and even new ways of experiencing reality. As we continue to explore the journey of consciousness uploading, we are reminded of the profound questions it raises about our humanity. The quest to transcend our physical limitations and achieve digital immortality is a testament to our enduring curiosity and desire for self-discovery. Whether we ultimately embrace or reject this technological leap, the exploration itself will undoubtedly shape the future of our species. The idea of uploading consciousness is not new. It has been a tantalizing concept that has captured the human imagination for generations. It has been a recurring theme in science fiction literature and film for decades, often serving as a mirror to our hopes and fears about the future. These stories reflect our deepest anxieties and aspirations about technology and its impact on humanity. They explore the boundaries of what it means to be human in an age where digital and biological lines are increasingly blurred. From the mind-bending virtual reality of The Matrix, where the nature of reality itself is questioned, to the chilling exploration of digital afterlife in Black Mirror, which delves into the darker aspects of our relationship with technology, popular culture has grappled with the ethical and philosophical implications of this transformative technology. These narratives force us to ask difficult questions about identity, consciousness, and the soul. These fictional narratives serve as cautionary tales and thought experiments, offering a glimpse into potential futures shaped by our technological choices. They prompt us to consider the potential consequences of our technological ambitions, urging us to think critically about the paths we are taking. They force us to confront uncomfortable truths about our own mortality and the fragility of our identities in an increasingly digital world. What does it mean to live forever in a digital form? Can a digital copy truly capture the essence of a person? The enduring fascination with consciousness uploading speaks to our innate desire for transcendence. It taps into a fundamental human yearning to surpass our physical limitations and achieve something greater. It reflects our age-old longing to overcome the limitations of our physical bodies and achieve a form of immortality. This desire is not new. It has been a part of human culture for millennia, manifesting in myths, religions, and now, technology. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented rate, the once distant dream of uploading consciousness is becoming more tangible. Innovations in neuroscience, artificial intelligence, and computing are converging to make what was once science fiction a potential reality. The line between science fiction and reality becomes increasingly blurred, challenging our perceptions and expectations. What was once the domain of imaginative writers and filmmakers is now the subject of serious scientific inquiry and debate. The prospect of uploading consciousness moves from the realm of fantasy into the realm of possibility. Researchers are exploring the feasibility of mapping the human brain in its entirety, creating digital replicas that could, in theory, house our consciousness. However, this journey is fraught with ethical debates and societal implications. What rights would a digital consciousness have? How would it affect our understanding of life and death? These are questions that we must grapple with as we stand on the brink of this new frontier. The future of humanity is intertwined with our technological evolution. As we push the boundaries of what is possible, we must also consider the moral and ethical dimensions of our advancements. The dream of digital immortality is both exhilarating and daunting, offering a glimpse into a future where the essence of who we are could transcend the physical world. As we venture into this digital frontier, we are not just exploring new technologies, we are redefining what it means to be human. The quest to upload consciousness is a testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge and our unyielding desire to overcome the limitations of our existence. The merging of minds and machines opens up a realm of possibilities that were once the stuff of dreams. It challenges us to rethink our place in the universe and our relationship with the technology we create. The journey from fiction to reality is not just about technological progress, it is about the evolution of our very essence. In the end, the story of uploading consciousness is a story about the future of human identity. It is a narrative that invites us to imagine, to dream, and to question. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, we are reminded that the line between fiction and reality is not just a boundary to be crossed, but a horizon to be explored. Before we can even contemplate uploading consciousness, we must first understand the intricate workings of the human brain. The brain, a marvel of biological engineering, is composed of billions of neurons, each connected by synapses that transmit electrical and chemical signals. These connections form intricate networks that are responsible for everything we think, feel, and do. Neuroscience, the study of the nervous system, plays a crucial role in unraveling the mysteries of consciousness. This field encompasses various disciplines, including biology, psychology, and computer science, all working together to decode the brain's complex functions. Scientists are making significant strides in mapping the brain's complex neural networks and deciphering the neural code that underpins our thoughts, emotions, and memories. By understanding these neural pathways, researchers hope to unlock the secrets of how our brain processes information and generates conscious experience. Advanced brain imaging techniques, such as fMRI and EEG, allow us to observe the brain in action, providing valuable insights into how different regions interact to produce our conscious experience. fMRI measures brain activity by detecting changes in blood flow, while EEG records electrical activity along the scalp. These tools have revolutionized our ability to study the living brain. However, despite these advancements, consciousness remains one of the most elusive enigmas in science. The phenomenon of consciousness, the state of being aware of and able to think about one's own existence, is still not fully understood. It is a puzzle that continues to challenge scientists and philosophers alike. The subjective nature of our inner experiences makes it challenging to study objectively. Each person's conscious experience is unique, shaped by their individual thoughts, memories, and emotions. This subjectivity adds a layer of complexity to the study of consciousness, making it difficult to develop a universal theory. We still lack a comprehensive understanding of how the brain gives rise to consciousness, and we are far from being able to replicate it artificially. While artificial intelligence and machine learning have made significant progress, creating a machine that truly experiences consciousness as humans do remains a distant goal. The journey to fully understand and replicate consciousness is ongoing, and each discovery brings us one step closer to mapping the mind's terrain. The development of artificial intelligence, AI, is another crucial piece of the puzzle in the quest for digital immortality. To upload consciousness, we need a suitable substrate, a digital environment capable of hosting and supporting the complexities of the human mind. AI research has made remarkable progress in recent years, with machines now capable of performing tasks that were once considered the exclusive domain of human intelligence. From self-driving cars to facial recognition software, AI is rapidly becoming an integral part of our lives. However, current AI systems are still far from achieving true human-level intelligence, let alone consciousness. They lack the capacity for subjective experience, self-awareness, and emotional depth that characterize the human mind. Building an artificial consciousness that can faithfully replicate the richness and complexity of the human experience remains a daunting challenge.